I'm on South St. Padre Island. Look at that beautiful sunrise right there. There's my student. Right there. I got my fishing pole set up. Turn this camera around. So this is my one fishing pole. Got a spinner. And then over here I got a bait caster. And then I have a smaller bait caster. I'm gonna get these strung up and ready to go to work today. And I'm gonna go play in the surf a little bit. My student's having fun. Anyway, look at that sunrise. I'm free holding this camera. GoPro 6. This is how I lose it. Let's go out in the surf. I don't like this idea. What the hell is that? That's weird as hell. All right.